When two galaxies come close enough to each other that their gravitational forces begin to interact, it is known as a galactic collision or interaction. This interaction can have significant effects on the galaxies involved and can result in several outcomes depending on the relative sizes, shapes, and velocities of the galaxies. Merger. When two galaxies of similar size and mass collide, they can merge to form a single, larger galaxy. The two galaxies' gas, dust, and stars will intermingle, and the resulting merged galaxy will have a new structure and appearance. Tidal forces. Even if the two galaxies don't merge, the gravitational forces between them can cause the tidal forces to pull the gas and dust in the galaxies, resulting in the formation of long, stream-like structures called tidal tails. Starburst activity. When two galaxies collide, the gas in each galaxy can be compressed, leading to intense star formation activity. This process is known as a starburst. Black hole mergers. When the black holes at the centers of two galaxies merge, they can produce intense gravitational waves, which have recently been detected by LIGO and other gravitational wave observatories. Overall, galactic collisions are significant because they can alter the appearance and structure of the galaxies involved and can have a profound impact on their evolution over time. After two galaxies have interacted and merged or passed by each other, the resulting system will continue to evolve over time. If the two galaxies have merged, the new merged galaxy will take on a new structure and appearance. The stars, gas, and dust will settle into a new equilibrium, and the resulting galaxy may have a different shape and color from its predecessors. The merged galaxy will also continue to evolve over time, as its stars age and its gas and dust are transformed into new stars and planetary systems. If the two galaxies did not merge but instead passed by each other, the resulting tidal forces can cause the formation of long, stream-like structures called tidal tails. These tails can continue to evolve over time as the galaxies move further away from each other, and new stars and planetary systems can form within them. In either case, the ultimate fate of the resulting system will depend on a variety of factors, including the initial masses and shapes of the galaxies involved, the velocity and trajectory of their interactions, and the distribution of gas, dust, and stars within the resulting system. Over time, these factors will continue to shape the evolution of the galaxies, potentially leading to new mergers or interactions with other galaxies in the future.